consultation with the Commissioner of Public Health for the State Department of Health Services, Dr. John Hellerstedt, his team, our Dallas County Health and Human Services Director, Dr. Phil Huang, and the mayors and emergency managers of the cities of Dallas County, I have filed this evening a declaration of local disaster for public health emergency, and am issuing a community gathering order effective 11 a.m. tomorrow, March 13th, 2020, prohibiting community gatherings of more than 500 people. It's imperative that the public do their part in following this community gathering order. I know Dallas County is up to the challenge. Our people always rise to the challenge, just as we have in tornadoes and crisis before this, and I have confidence in all of you. The new cases announced today are a woman in her 70s, one man in his 40s, one man in his 50s, one man in his 60s, and one woman in her 60s. 2 persons are hospitalized and 3 are isolating at home. And I will now read you pertinent parts of the order because I want to make sure that we understand what it does and what it does not do, right? So effective as of 11 a.m. tomorrow and continuing until 11 a.m. on March the 20th, 2020, unless it is extended, public or private community gatherings are prohibited anywhere in Dallas County. In addition, the Office of Dallas County Judge and the Dallas County Department of Health and Human Services strongly discourages in the strongest terms possible, but does not prohibit under penalty of law group gatherings of 250 persons or more. And additionally, we strongly discourage group gatherings of 10 or more where the persons are in high risk group, which include people over 60 and people with underlying health conditions. For purposes of this order, a community gathering is any indoor or outdoor event or convening subject to the exceptions and clarifications below. That brings together or is likely to bring together 500 or more persons at the same time in a single room or other single defined or enclosed space, such as an auditorium, theater, stadium, indoor or outdoor, arena or event center, meeting hall, conference center, large cafeteria, or any other indoor or confined outdoor space. An outdoor community gathering under this order is limited to confined outdoor spaces, which means an outdoor space that is enclosed by a fence, physical barrier, or other structure, and where people are present and they are within arm's length of one another for extended periods. This order also does not prohibit gatherings of people in multiple separate enclosed spaces in a single building, such as a multiplex movie theater, a school, or an office tower, so long as 500 people are not present in any single space at the same time. This order also does not prohibit the use of enclosed spaces where 500 or more people may be present at different times during the day, so long as 500 or more people are not present in the space at the same time. For any gathering covered under subsection C, the Office of the Dallas County Judge and the Health Authority strongly encourage compliance with the attached, which you'll all get a copy of, attached social distancing recommendations, including providing hand sanitizer and tissues and increasing cleaning of commonly touched surfaces. For purposes of clarity, a community gathering does not include the following so long as visitors are generally not within arm's length of one another for extended period. Spaces where 500 or more people may be in transit or waiting for transit, such as airports, bus stations, or terminals, office space or residential buildings, grocery stores, shopping malls, or other retail establishments where large numbers of people are present, but it is unusual for them to be within arm's length of one another for extended periods, and hospitals and medical facilities.